Hold on there. When I have chipping on the system,
You watch too much show, no, brother.
Him not ask a stupid question. So answer it.
The programming are a series of words. These words are connected to past trauma. Some of these traumas are in relation to things that you have been through before. Like for myself, I was a soldier.
So everybody is programmed differently based on these words.
and then backstory.
Interesting. So how you come out of your programming?
Let's just call it a glitch in the system. They sent out the orders, but they left off the trigger words.
And them not find out say you're no longer programmed.
Because me have to reprogram myself to adapt to everything that I was accustomed to. If they found out, we would not be having this conversation.
How long this happen?
About 4 months now.
How much nightmare assignment you go on since then?
This was my second one.
It shows say you and Pearl work together in the system. The wasp and the stinger. What you can tell me about fear programming?
She have to tell you that. That's not something we discuss.
Stinger, she can't tell me that. She don't even know when she get programmed. When she come out of the programming, she's a totally different person.
Agent D, with all due respect, I'm not there to talk about Pearl. I'm there to talk about me and what you can do to help save me.
Save you?
From who, brother? You don't understand how the program work. It's easier for an agent go rogue. But when a nightmare goes rogue, the only thing to do is eliminate it.
Alright. I'm going to try. But the first good thing you do is coming in.
Boss, that never be too much for our hands.
Whisper. This is one of our own. We have to help him.
Agent D, you have to talk to Mr. Mullins. Him are the only one who can call off the orders.
I have the list of nightmares we run our region. So, we can find them.
Agent B, you don't understand? Them not gonna come from your region, which means them not gonna take no orders from you.
See me I tell you, bossy.
We have to find a way to shut down the nightmare program here and decommission all of them.
I don't have no family. I need some type of existence. This is all I've known. I need to have a life.
I hear what you're saying now. And I can promise you this. I'm going to talk to Mr. Mullins. But that's about the only thing I can promise you. Say me go talk to him.
There's a next thing. I need somewhere to lay low for a while because I'm not going back in the dark room.
Stinger, we got you. No worry about that. What I want to tell you is so we appreciate the fact that you come in because the assignment there never did ever work.
I'm glad for no say you never activated the night there. Because me did prepare for confrontation.
And if we did activate it, blood would have shed. We can't live with that from conscience.
Well, if we could decide now which one of the safe house then we can put in.
So, is there any safe house that you control?
Yeah. There's one. No!
Hello?